guys, we're at the Verona Goodman Pool, and this is for my blog. I'm going to show you how I get rings on the seafloor. I'll show you now. Two. And what's cool at this pool, by the way, is a mushroom, even though it's broken, and a deep end. Last ring, yellow. Here's the last